Hi, I'm Nicola here at the Grace Retreat, and I'm going to show you and talk to you about the Daily Glycolic Cleanser. This is a relatively new Dermalogica cleanser and I love it. It's an exfoliating cleanser, so it's going to help exfoliate your skin as well. It's like a gel, foaming gel, and it's really brightening, which is brilliant for any kind of pigmentation, dullness, anything like that, that kind of skin type, aging skins. This is brilliant. So I love this one. So I use this about 3 times a week for the brightening and the exfoliation. As we get older, our skin cell turnover slows really down and it needs speeding up. So this will really help speed that up and keep my skin fresh, healthy and clean as well, and glowing. The brightening in this is lovely. So I'm going to massage it. I'm going to add a little bit more water to my hands. Don't forget neck and chest area. Add some water and foam up a bit more. Okay, go through your eyebrows. We all kind of use makeup across our eyebrows now, so make sure you're removing that. Creases of the chin and the nose, tip of the nose. Don't forget lips, neck, chest and shoulders, and then you use your sponges and water to remove. Okay, again very foamy, so make sure you use plenty of water to make sure you're removing all of the product off of your skin. After you've cleansed, quite a lot of the time we're ready to exfoliate further. Don't forget to replace your sponges regularly and also let them dry standing up. Don't leave them flat, leave them propped up somewhere so they can dry off really well, so they don't harbour any kind of bacteria or anything. Use sponges rather than splash off because it makes sure that you're removing all of the product so your skin's nice and healthy and can breathe and all the product is off. Okay, so that's how to use the Glycolic Cleanser of Dermalogica's range. More information will be below in the link. Thank you very much. Bye.